I'm Suzanne Kasler, and I'm here in my beautiful office in Atlanta, Georgia. We've been here about 15 years, and I'm going to talk about, it's all about the details. Because of all the nuances of living today, people have really appreciated and are loving and responding, especially during this last year, to being in their home and how home is everything. And having the home be such a key part of their lives that the details are really worth focusing on. I found that so many people with the social media have taken a strong interest in design. In some ways, it can be challenging for the designer because there are almost too many ideas, too many options. But now, the positive is that our clients are really engaged and excited about design and almost really are more interested in what design can do for their way of living. The challenge is, how do we help them edit? We try to talk to them about what they love in their personal collections and really try to have a design that reflects them and then bring that into the process as well. They are loving design, or I think they wouldn't have come to a designer. The challenge is really about helping our clients get through the volume of all the options. But what has happened is the role of the interior designer has actually become more important than ever. Our clients cannot make all the decisions. They really cannot figure out what might really work together. As much as we talk about, you can buy anything in the world. You can go on social media. We can order everything. We are helping them not make mistakes. And I think we have to be sure and address that in the beginning when we meet our new clients. Because today, they only see the glamorous part of the interior design world. So I think having them see the reality of how we work and really make a difference in their projects is so critical. And then we really come away with not only the really happy client, but a really successful project.